Hi, my name is Tri Rohmat Zainuddin from the Management of Archive and Information Record, Universitas Gadjah Mada. Okay, in this vlog, I will discuss several places in the home environment and outside the home. Okay, now I'm in the room where this place has memory with my friend. In the past, during school holiday, my friend often play at the house almost every evening. My friend played at the house because when I was in high school, I had PES game or I score game. This game was very popular with my friend, and I playing it game almost every evening. To the end that my friend often sleep at my house because they play games in the morning. Apart from playing game in the room, there are also other activities. Some are singing. There are also those who invite you to make a sound but don't make sound. After playing games, chatting, we often sleep on the floor with mates out to sleep. We seldom use the mattress to sleep on the floor. This room is a special place for me because of many memories with my friend in this room. Now my friend rarely playing at the house because my friend are busy. Some are already working, some are pursuing study too. This room is also a memory with my extended family. It's in room during Idul Fitri, my family often recruit from the city, their hometown. So this room has many memory with my extended family from the city. Furthermore, this is where my home pack is. In this place when I was in elementary school with friends, often playing score on this pack. Because in the past the football fields far from our village, so when often playing soccer in my yard. In the past, our ball was often lost because when we kids the ball hurt or ball was lost where the ball went. This is a special fix because we aggress in my yard and because the most cleansing memory of clean hot with friends. What's more, technology was not as sophisticated as it is today. We also did have a telephone when we were kids or activists as a clean were far from modern because they are not yet able to be technology tool show as telephone playing outside to host already feel fun and happy to play to play with friends. It's different from the present because in the modern era technology is starting to develop. Okay, the next meaningful place is my house terrace because I'm like to playing volleyball. Here is the place where it used to practice volleyball, which this well when I was in high school. Here is a meaningful memory for me. Where is the that because besides practicing on the volleyball court and after and my training times myself I'm often practice volleyball by myself at home doing passing smash with this ball. In the past, I also broke a glass because it was so hard pushing the ball everywhere and hitting the glass in the house. Apart from practice volleyball on the terrace, is used to jogging in the yard of the house or jog around the village. Almost every team I have free team I practice at home. Yes, from the memory of this terrace that it did prevent volleyball. Thanks to my presence in practicing, I got a lot of excitement in the field of volleyball. Thanks to my training result both at home and at volleyball school. So this direct has special memories. Furthermore, I very meaningful when after school we met in apartment to spend time in the river. On the river, my friend often fish in this river. In the past, there were not so many fishing rods for use. The fish we caught was not for cooking, but to my rest at home for education, because in the past there were not the recreation that were sold, so we kept and they were goods. When used to often fish or play in the rivers after fishing, when used to swim in the river, my friend and I often ate on this river by jumping from the mainland to this river. We almost do in if after fishing in this river. It used to rain when fishing. We often take shelter in this hut, waiting for the rain to stop. While waiting for the rain to stop, we often check around this hut. After the rain stopped, we then continue fishing this river. After the rain, the water flow was not so heavily in these rivers. We are even excited about fishing, because fishing after the rain when often good fish. I'm proud from fishing in the river. I have memory with my friend when I was in the rich fields near these rivers. An unforgettable memory is of playing kids during the train season or wind season in our area. Okay, and now vlog this theme about effective place and my memory, but indoor and outdoor. And thank you.